Ever pondered over the perfect recipe for starting a YouTube cooking channel? Well, simmer down and let's dive into the ingredients for success. First, define the flavor of your channel. What kind of culinary delights will you be serving up? Perhaps you're a whiz at whipping up decadent desserts, or maybe your forte lies in creating hearty, home-cooked meals. Whatever your specialty, make sure it shines through in your content. Next, consistency is key. Just like a weekly dinner date, keep your audience expecting and excited for your next video. Regular uploads not only keep your current viewers hooked, but they also increase the likelihood of attracting new ones. Now, let's talk equipment. No need for a Hollywood-style production, but a decent camera and a clear microphone can drastically enhance the quality of your videos. Consider investing in some basic lighting equipment to ensure your culinary creations are always seen in their best light. DSLR or mirrorless cameras, shotgun or lapel microphones, and softbox lights are all worthy considerations. Moving on to the editing stage. This is where you can stir in your own unique style. User-friendly software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are great for beginners, offering plenty of online tutorials to help you master the art of video editing. Lastly, but certainly not least, it's time to serve up your content to the world. Promote your videos through your social media channels, engage with your audience, and consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Don't forget to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make them more discoverable in search results. So there you have it, the recipe for launching a successful YouTube cooking channel. Remember, the secret ingredient is always authenticity. So stay true to yourself, be consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Ready for your next course? Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy cooking!